Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. But today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can buy bonds on Etoro. To do so, first of all, let's log into your Etoro account like I already am by going on to your Google Chrome browser or any web browser of your choice. And after you have logged in into your Etoro account, you'll be on the home page of Etoro. From here, go into the search box or search bar on the screen and just simply type for bonds. And you can see that all of these options of bonds will appear. Go into any one kind of option here and it will take you on to more of the option where you can see the bonds of its charts, news and finance as well. You can also see other bonds that people are buying. If you scroll down, you can also see other posts that is done or the comments that people say about the bond. If you're not finding the bond that you want to invest in, you can simply search for it again by inputting its full name. And now to buy the bond, you can just simply click onto the trade option and under the buy section, click on the amount and input your order type, your stop leverage and take profit and click on buy and you'll be able to buy the bonds. This is for this video and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.